So in this video, I will help you to get decent amount of FPS for Minecraft. If you want to skip no particles plus flipbook disabler from add-ons, but you need Zackcheever to import it. Then you need to open Chrome and search mcpdl.com, and if you open this website and you need to search FPS boost, it will show you this by Ambient and Kara and Awesome Duo. If you want more FPS, by ClutZ makes your Minecraft by one. Now about AD Optifine TV. It's a AI camera. AI camera. You see smart AI smart rendering and texture optimization and frame interpolation. Now, if you, I'll show you how to download it again. Right? I'll show you how to download it and import the FPS boost again. ED Optifine. Scroll down. It only supports micro version only 1.2.1 and 1.21.80. Now, if you click that, and I'm now a robot, click that. Now it shows you a traffic light or something else. Now you need to wait. Just wait until it's 100%. Now click get downloads and click that. Try that 6 optimize. Now it's download. Now go to Zackcheever, go to downloads, scroll down, find the optimize MC pack, click that and click that button, the arrow button, and open with Minecraft. It will import the mod with Minecraft. So that's how you like download and import it. And that's all for the video. Please sub. I hope you it will help.